Okay, this is a quick demo of RingCentral app connected for Pipedrive. And first step, of course, go to Chrome Web Store and install the extension, which I've already done here. And next is to log into your Pipedrive account. And while you are on the Pipedrive page, click this. I've already pinned the extension here. Just open the extension while you are looking at the Pipedrive page so that it can be correctly registered. And then log in with your RingCentral account. Alright, after logging in, you'll see a dial pad and some of the phone functionalities here. And we want to go to settings so we can connect it to Pipedrive account. So it will pop up a window. Just click the button in the middle, and then it will go to the app installation page on Pipedrive's marketplace. Click install now, and it requires some of these permissions to access data from Pipedrive. So just click allow and install. If you see this like green connected, it means, or here it says setup finished. That means it's successfully connected. And the other sign is if you go here, it will say connected as someone, and yeah, it will be a logout button instead of a connect button. So the main functionality is making phone calls and log it. Let me just do a quick test. Ooh. Alright, so this call is here. What I did is I hover on the call record here, and I click view contact details. This would open the contact page on Pipedrive, which is this one. And if I check out the history here, so this is the call that I just made, and with some metadata from the phone call. I've actually turned on auto log, so that's why it is automatically logged. Normally, if that's turned off, you will see this kind of unlogged state for phone call record. And if you click log call, then you can manually log it. Let me try this.
Please hold while I try to connect you.
While calling, you will be able to click this button to take notes. And when the call is hung up, go to the here and check out this log call form, and the notes will be here. Alright, and also if you have deal or lead associated with this contact, it will be automatically filled in here, and so you can associate this call log to the deal or lead. If I click save, you will see here, okay, there's a new record here with my notes. If I click edit activity, you will see a bit of formatted, yeah, details here. It's not shown 100% correct in the preview, but yeah, you can tell if it's an added view, it's nicely organized. And it's also associated with this deal, which would show exactly same activity as we just saw under the yeah, this one under the contact. Alright, so that is the most common functionality for this extension. And of course you can log messages Let me just try one. And same thing. If you by the way, if you have multiple matched contact, meaning if this phone number, if there are multiple contacts with the same phone number as this, then of course you will get multiple options here in the drop down list, and you can select any one of them. And click save. So this is to log the message, which looks like this. It's gonna be composed in a conversation, meaning if I send another one, it doesn't generate a new activity. You actually add the message into the flow here. So now this one is updated, test 1 and test 2. All right. So that's just for one day. So every message you send or receive today will be composed into one conversation as one activity. And if that happens, say tomorrow, then you will create a new activity to contain it. All right, so that's SMS messages. Of course, you can log fax and call record and voicemail. Pretty much the same logic, and with these ones turned on, it will then be automatically logged. All right, so that's call logging. And one of the other handy features is this call pop. So that is, say I'm working on something else. I'm open this page, all right? And there is a call coming in. Let's say I set it to on first ring, I save it. So call pop essentially, if it is a call going or coming from a matched contact, say this one, then it will automatically open the contacts page from your browser. So let me make a phone call here actually. Then it would, yeah, it would pop up that page. And of course, if the call is recorded, you will upload the
This call is being recorded.
you upload the recording link. But the recording link typically needs to wait like for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, depending on the length of the call itself, because our backend server needs some time to process it. So this is a call we just created, and yeah, let's just wait a bit and then go back and check. The other handy feature is this one. If you're looking at a Pipedrive page and you hover on a phone number, you can directly go here and call it.
Please hold while I try to connect you.
Okay, cool. So let's come back and check. Yeah, this is the one we just made with a call recording, and this is the link. You click it, it will take you to a media reader where you log in with your RingCentral account, and you can access the file of the call recording. Okay, I think that's the main functionalities of this app. There's of course a lot more to look at, and there's admin settings where you can, if you are admin, you can configure all the settings for the whole organization. Let's say if I make customizable tab as, if I make this contact tab as false and not customizable by user, that means this setting is going to be read only by user. So it's going to be enforced across the organization. And I save, that setting will be applied across the organization, and every single user will have that setting turned off. If I am an end user, so this is from end user view, this is user settings. I go to the same setting, you'll see this is one that I just turned off. So it will show that it's controlled by admin and it's off. Alright, so that's some of the admin stuff. And of course admin has more control on the some other things, including server-side logging. So this is relatively complicated. I would suggest you to visit our documentation here. So go to documentation and server-side call logging. So here it will have more details. Alright. Yeah, so it's a quick go through of this RingCentral App Connect